Hey guys, so I'm back to another quick form video. So I am redoing this video, guys. I did this video a couple days ago, and good thing I looked at the comments, but it looked like I didn't have the audio playing, even though I have my mic here. I just think I didn't have it plugged in. So let's go ahead and get into this video, and we're talking about a 5G device that you can get that's on Visible Wireless. That's only $40 a month, gets you unlimited talk, text, and data for, like I said, only $40 a month on Verizon's network. And now you have access to 5G as well on Verizon's network, thanks to Visible Wireless and, you know, all this good stuff. So if you guys don't know, Visible Wireless is kind of like what Cricket is to AT&T. AT&T basically owns Cricket Wireless. So Verizon kind of owns Visible Wireless, and that's why they can use their network. Now, of course, you're not going to get the blazing fast speeds. You will get, you'll be kind of on the lower totem pole of priority, but hey, it's still 5G network, and it's still Verizon, and it's still 4G LTE as well. So let's get into it, guys, and see. So it says Verizon's network comes standard. So of course, running on Verizon's 4G LTE and 5G networks means connecting, sending, and searching even quicker. You can view their coverage map. Of course, it's Verizon's network, so of course it'll work. Everything you need and nothing you don't. It says no annual contracts, no hidden fees, no nonsense. And yeah, we also ditched the stores, lines, and annoying salespeople. So everything's online, so it's pretty cool. It gives them more margin and better prices. So it says 5G will be capped at 200 megabits per second. So once you get 5G, it will be capped at that speed. 5G currently available on select devices. 5G ultra wideband available only in parts of select cities. 5G nationwide available in 1,800 plus cities. And in times of traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed down, guys. So just remember that. Now it says $40 a month phone service. This is a simpler way. Let's do this. Visible, you can also do family plans as low as $25 per line. I don't know who that is, but they should got Ryan Reynolds for that, even though he's doing Mint Mobile. But you can also get it says get an old phone, swap it out for a free one. You can get the ZTE phone, which is actually a really good phone. I actually have it and use it. So Visible is actually one of the sponsors for this channel. But let's get into today's basically phones that we're talking about. So shop all phones. This is the cheapest 5G phone. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and pull the trigger and get it, guys. I think I'll go ahead and do it. So for you guys, I'll go ahead and unbox it and check out Verizon's 5G network. So they do have some devices here that are 5G, of course, that's 21. Now you can finance these at $29 a month, as it's pretty cool. $41 a month, the SE $25 a month. So pretty cool if you guys see all this stuff right here. So 5G, but this is the one we're talking about. All these other phones are pretty pricey, especially 5G phones. I mean, they're like $1,000, but we're looking at this phone right here. So this is a Visible Blade X1 5G, guys. SIM included, free next day shipping. So it's pretty cool. It's 5G. It runs on Visible's 5G network. It is Midnight Black. It's 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is pretty good. Now you can either pay for it outright, it costs $384, or you can go ahead and get it for $16 a month, thanks to Affirm, which is a company that lets you make payments. You can also add a device protection plan. And two promotions that's cool about this is why I kind of talk about it, is you get a $150 prepaid MasterCard virtual account once you sign up for 2 months of service, I believe it is, or you pay 2 months of service. Let's look at the details. It says get a $150 prepaid MasterCard virtual account when you join Visible. Order an eligible device from the list below and bring your number. So you have to port your number in, guys. After receiving your SIM with next day shipping, insert it into your phone. Download and sign into the app. Follow the instructions to activate service. After 2 service payments, you'll get an email to redeem your gift. So pretty good. So basically you sign up, get the phone. After you receive your SIM with the next day shipping, you'll put it in the phone and download, sign into the app, follow instructions to activate the service. And then after 2 monthly payments, you'll get emailed your gift card. That's worth $150, which is pretty good, actually. So think about it. You're almost getting half off for this phone if you really think about it, which is actually great. There's Amazon. You also get an Amazon Fire Stick, even though I don't know who really has it. or uses it since I have a smart TV. So it says order an eligible device and bring your current number to visible. After receiving your SIM card, the next day shipping, insert into your phone, download and sign into the app. Follow instructions, activate service. After activating, you will get an email with a code to redeem your Amazon Fire TV stick. So they'll probably mail it to you or something like that. So it's pretty cool. Like I actually do kind of want to try it. You might be saying, what's cool about this phone? I mean, you're just talking about the service, and remember, you get a $150 card. It's using Verizon's network, so that's the best network around. But what's some features about this phone? Is this phone even worth it? I kind of want to go ahead and review and get it for you guys, you know. We're going to YOLO this, I guess. It says sleek 5G smartphone with top-notch features, including a quad camera for photos, a 6.5-inch full screen display with tiny notch, and DTS:X Ultra audio for an immersive gaming and entertainment experience. 60 Hz at a 6.5-inch 19:9 Full HD Plus with hole punch camera display lets you view more of your favorite media and content. 5G performance so you can stream and game non-stop. Comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G mobile platform coupled with 6 gigs of RAM, which is pretty good for an Android, and 128 gigabytes of storage for your favorite games, media, and many more. Capture everything with 4 cameras. The thing has quad cameras, man. It's an AI quad camera for any occasion. 48 megapixel enables beauty capture. All-day battery. Another cool thing is this bad boy has 4,000 milliamp battery. It can last a full day with smart power modes that can extend battery life if you're ever caught in a pickle, man. And you can top that bad boy up with a 3.4 Qualcomm quick charge charger, which is great. And like I said, 5G is not available everywhere, but you can check it out and see where it is available in your city and all that stuff. And like I said, here's just the quick specs about it. Like I was telling you guys about it, it's a 2340 by 1080p, so you do get a 1080p display, which is great. You do get Android 10. The 4 cameras is a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 28 megapixel, and 28 megapixel. I keep saying 28. Sorry, I'm going too fast. I'm too excited for this. After this, I'm gonna purchase a phone. So it's a 48 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel camera, and a 2 megapixel AI quad rear camera. The front's a 16 megapixel camera. The processor, of course, like I was saying, is a 765G octa-core, 2.4 Hz. So I'm definitely gonna do a gaming review. I know this thing's gonna be able to handle it. 128 gigabytes and expandable up to 2 terabytes, man. I'm telling you, man, these people go crazy. 2 terabyte SD card probably costs more than the freaking phone, you know. But I guess if you have one laying around, why not? Like I said, 4,000 milliamp battery, does have a fingerprint sensor, and 5G sub 600 gigahertz. So you would get Verizon's low tier network. So, but overall, it's pretty good, I would say. And here's the phone. It is looking pretty nice. And like I said, I do want to test out Verizon's 5G network, so I think I'll go ahead and swing it and pay 2 months of service and go ahead and get the $150 card and pay this bad boy off. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this worth it? Is this a good deal? I think it is. So check it out. Thank you.